Oh, hey, I just wanted to share with you what I'm doing right now, which is, guess, fun, paying my taxes. So Intuit TurboTax is the go-to I have been using since 2015. So I have been a faithful TurboTax user for years, and I appreciate them every year. Easiest way to really get them to get your taxes done is you can buy an online code. You purchase it, they'll email you the code, just follow the instructions, it'll get you set up for this tax year. It's 2026 now, you're paying taxes back in 2025 since TurboTax 2025. That's why it's called that. I personally do the federal and state home and business desktop edition. So right here on my trusty laptop, I'm able to do my own taxes from the comfort of my own home without having to pay someone else hundreds of dollars for something I can do myself. So I have my own small business, hence I get a 1099, and as a result of that, that's why I need the business edition. I also live in a state where I have income tax. Bummer. There are states that do not. So if your state does not have income taxes, lucky you, and thankfully you can just do the federal. Everybody's got to pay federal tax, income tax. That's no escaping that. Do not try, you'll get caught. Pay your taxes. What I like to do is to pay the least amount of taxes that is legally required. I don't want to pay the government any more than I don't have to, and TurboTax is great for that because they're going to ask you a bunch of questions that can help you get deductions. They're going to ask you, do you have a mortgage? What is the interest on that? You might be able to get a tax break on that. Do you have children? You might be able to get a tax break on that. Do you have Have you paid for student loans? There's several questions that it just goes through. The most common deductions that people have, they're going to ask you about that. And you just answer honestly. And whenever you do that, you can get some nice deductions. Some of those are several $1,000s. Those kids, they help whenever they're born. I mean, they're expensive, but they can help you out on your taxes. So it's great. It's fairly intuitive to use. Like I've been using it for years, and I'm not disappointed. It did get more complicated whenever I did open my own business. I used to be able to just if you don't have your own business, you probably are working for someone else. They'll give you a W-2. If you have that, so much easier. You just plug in the W-2 and plug in all the questions about the deductions and whatnot, and you're probably good. Business is a little bit more complicated. Just make sure you have all your ducks in a row. The main thing with that is making sure you have your paperwork before you do your taxes. That's what's the complicated part, to be honest with you, because it'll ask you all the questions. And if you have your paperwork done, you just can copy paste from whatever Excel sheet or wherever you're keeping your business information. That's the part that I have the hardest time with, is like, oh yeah, 9 months ago, what was I doing? It's keep up with that, and that makes tax time so much easier as a small business owner. So that's a New Year's resolution question mark for next year. Do a better job of that for myself. But TurboTax, they have everything you need. Everyone's got to pay taxes, so why pay someone else to do something that you can do for yourself at the comfort of your own home?